was very sleepy. She can't do anything, just to sleep. I'm sleepy. I should go take some rest. Bella is having a good night, deep sleep, and dreaming about good things, or nightmares. On her dream, she dreamed she's a princess. Maid Sasha, kindly please make food for me. Thank you. Okay, Mom. I'll make the best food you will ever like. Please wait until 10 to 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, the food has arrived. When Princess Bella is done eating the food, she is so satisfied because the food is yummy. That is amazing. Thank you. Moving on to another dream. On her dream, she is drowning. I can't handle it. When she almost died, she magically became a mermaid. I'm a mermaid? And a starfish just spoke. She is so shocked. Who are you? Where are you? I'm a starfish. Are you this cute red starfish? Yes. Why did I become a mermaid? You became a mermaid because you are running out of breath. This sea is very special. How can I be a human again? Sadly, you can't. Well, fishes can be your best friend like me. Oh, well, at least I get friends like you and meet many fishes. True. And she had another dream. She dreamed her crush. Her crush likes her in a dream. But in real life, they're real close friends. Our exam is very hard. Do you get a high score? Real hard, but I got a high score. Oh, good. Like you. What? I said I liked you. Me too, since elementary. What now? Remember when I got excited to eat pizza, but the pizza tasted bad? Pretty funny. I miss the old school. A lot of dreams. On this dream, she is a caveman who speaks a weird language. Don't worry, I'll translate it. Gugulala bahasaruau. I'm hungry. I shall eat. She eats a meaty vegetable thingy. She got nothing to eat, so she eats that. Isolmuyums. It's so yummy. And she lives happily ever after. Yay! It's just a dream.